Central Processing Unit CPU. CPU performs processing and controlling operations. It is brain of computer system. So CPU is a important part in a computer system. In a human body, brain takes all major decisions and other parts of the body function as directed by brain. So in human body, brain is important part. Similarly, in a computer system, CPU performs all major calculations and comparisons and also the controls activates and controls the operations of other units of a computer system. The two components of a CPU are arithmetic logic unit ALU and control unit CU. So ALU and CU are two parts of computer system. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. A computer performs all calculation and comparison, which are decision making operations in the arithmetic logic unit. During processing of a job, the computer transfers data and instructions stored in its primary storage to ALU as and when needed. ALU does the processing and the computer temporarily transfers the intermediate results generated there back to primary storage until needed later. Hence, data may move back and forth several times between primary storage and ALU before processing of the job is over. So ALU is important part and it does the processing and computer transfers the intermediate results generated there back to primary storage. So ALU is basically logic unit. The engineering design of a computer's ALU determines the type and number of arithmetic and logical operations that computer can perform. However, almost all ALUs are designed to perform the four basic arithmetic operations: add, subtract, multiply and divide, and logical operations or comparisons such as less than, equal to or greater than, etc. B. Control unit. A computer's control unit does not perform any actual processing of jobs but acts as a central nervous system for other components of computer system. So it basically controls other functions of computer. It manages and coordinates the operations of all other components. It obtains instruction from a program stored in main memory. The interrupts the instruction and issues signal causing other units of system and to execute them. So basically it is a control unit which governs all other units in a computer system.